Hey everyone, welcome back to my ethical hacking journey. In episode 1, I show you how I installed VirtualBox on the laptop. Today in this episode, I'm gonna show you how I set up Kali Linux inside a virtual machine. So let's go to the Google and type Kali Linux and we're gonna go to the search and let's go to the first which is the official website and we're gonna click on the download and we're gonna go with the installer images, which is perfect for inbuilt Wi-Fi and GPU, which enables the best performance. We'll go to this and we're gonna go with the complete offline installation with customization once. Click on download. It will take a couple of minutes because the file size is 4.2 GB and we can consider this is as a standard ISO file. Meanwhile, we're gonna wait until it is download and then I'm gonna show you how I load it in the virtual machine. Once the standard ISO file has been downloaded for the Kali Linux website, let's open Oracle VirtualBox and we're gonna install Kali Linux in the virtual environment. To do that, we're gonna click on New and give the Linux as the name, Kali Linux, and we're gonna type Linux and subtype as Debian 64-bit. Click on next. We're gonna allocate base memory at least up to 8 GB. You can allocate till until the green line, but make sure don't exceed the green line so that your main operating system gonna be have a bit disruptions or create more problems. So for the processors, I can give you the 4 or 6 to speed up the performance. Click on next. And for the memory, I will allocate a memory of 80 GB. Click on next. And this is the summary of the virtual machine environment. We're gonna finish it up. Voila, here you go. So the environment has set up. Now we're gonna do some configurations and we'll go to the settings and we go to the advanced. For the share clipboard, I'll go make it to the bidirectional. This can be useful if you want to switch to main operating system to the Kali Linux. And another system, I'm not gonna do any changes. And display, I'm gonna do a video memory of 128. And under the storage, click on control ID, click on empty, and under the optical drive, click on this disk icon to load the disk file that we have downloaded from the internet. And this is the disk file we downloaded. Click on this, open, and click on OK. And you can do additional settings like for the network if you want to create more. Share folders. Now we'll start this. It's gonna take some time since it's trying. That's it. Enter graphic install. and use VM user. Continue. Oops, go back. Hostname was Kali and the domain name VM user. Continue. It's gonna take a bit time. Full name for the new user. We're gonna use VM user. Continue. Username of your. So here it pops up the question that is we're gonna use the guided one so that we don't have any problems later. We're gonna choose all, and we're gonna choose the partition as all files in one partition. It's gonna ask the questions, write changes to this as. Once this dialog box has popped up, so there were options you can choose this software selection. If your PC is not powerful, stick with these configurations. If your PC is more powerful, I'm gonna opt for Genome and click continue. And this installation gonna take a couple of minutes. Uh, the installation took a bit longer time. So lastly, we need to install the grub bootloader. So we're gonna make it S over here, and then we'll see what happens next. We're gonna select the virtual drive to finish the installation. Let's wait until it is installing the grub bootloader. It's rebooting. So yeah, finally we are into the grub. Voila. Yeah, finally we installed. So this is the VM user. So we're gonna click user. That's it. Let's go to the mode. So it's asking write control and switch. Yeah, finally this is the view, and if you want you can search my IP address. I have config. That's it. And yeah, that's all for this installation, and in coming video I'm gonna show the different tasks. I'm still in learning phase, so I'll see you in the next video. Until then, see you, take care, and keep practicing.